Okay, I did the homework. I have my emergency fund. I paid off my credit card. I have $500 ready to go. But I've been staring at this open account button for 20 minutes and I can't click it.
Analysis paralysis?
Total paralysis. There are so many acronyms. TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, and then the apps ask if I want a managed account or a self-directed account. I just want to buy a stock. Why is this so hard?
It's hard because they use fancy words for simple things. Today, we're going to cut through the jargon. We're going to open an account, pick an investment, and actually buy it right now.
Wait, we are actually clicking the button today?
We are. By the end of this video, you will be an investor.
Okay, no backing out. If you've been scared to start, grab your laptop. We are doing this together.
This video is for education only. We're showing how the process works, not telling you what you personally should buy. Everyone's situation is different, so always do your own research or talk to a professional if you're unsure.
Yes, this is us learning together, not financial advice.
First, we need to clear up the biggest confusion for Canadians: the difference between an account and an investment.
Right, like, isn't a TFSA an investment? My bank tried to sell me a TFSA that paid 1% interest.
I hate when banks do that. Think of it this way: a TFSA, a tax free savings account, is not an investment, it is a backpack.
A backpack?
Yes, a magical government approved backpack. You can put anything you want inside it: cash, stocks, ETFs, even gold. The backpack just protects whatever is inside from the tax man.
So, if I buy a stock inside the backpack and it goes up,
You pay zero taxes on the profit. That's why the TFSA is the best friend of a beginner investor.
okay, what about the RRSP?
Think of the RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, as a time capsule. You get a tax break when you put money in, but you're not supposed to open it until retirement. If you open it early, you pay taxes and penalties.
So, TFSA equals backpack, flexible tax-free growth. RRSP equals time capsule, locked away for later. Which one should I open?
For most beginners who aren't earning a huge salary yet, start with the TFSA. It's flexible. If life happens, you can take money out without a penalty.
Sold. Backpack it is. Okay, I know I want a TFSA. Do I go to my regular bank?
You can, but big banks often charge high fees to buy stocks, sometimes $10 every time you click buy.
If I'm investing $100, that's a 10% loss immediately. That sucks.
Exactly. That's why most young investors use discount brokers or trading apps. In Canada, the big ones are Wealthsimple or Questrade.
I downloaded Wealthsimple because the app looked pretty. Is that okay?
It's perfect for beginners. Step 1, download the app. Step 2, open a TFSA.
Okay. Scanning my ID, taking a selfie, and approved. I linked my bank account and transferred $500.
Boom, the backpack is open. But right now it's empty, just cash sitting there. Now we go shopping.
Okay, shopping time. I use an iPhone. Should I just buy Apple or Tesla?
Stop. Buying one company is risky. What if the new iPhone flops? What if the CEO tweets something wild?
My money disappears.
That's the needle in a haystack problem. Instead, buy the whole haystack.
Buy the haystack?
ETFs, exchange traded funds. Think of it like fruit. You could pick one perfect apple or buy a fruit basket with apples, bananas, oranges, everything.
So if bananas go bad, I still have apples?
Exactly. That's diversification. ETFs hold hundreds or thousands of companies at once.
And I can buy that with one click?
Yes, for beginners, all in one ETFs are great. In Canada, you'll see names like VGRO or XEQT.
That feels way safer than betting on one CEO. Okay, I'm searching for XEQT. It says $41.15 a share. But now it asks market or limit. I don't know what that means. I'm panicking again.
Don't panic. Market means you buy it right now at whatever price is available, like buying milk at the grocery store. Limit means you set a specific price you aren't willing to go over.
Which one do I do?
For long term investing like this, a market order is fine. We aren't day trading, we just want to get the money into the market. Select market.
Okay, market. It asks how much. I have $500. So that is.
The app usually has a calculator, or you can just type the dollar amount if the app supports fractional shares. Let's try to buy 12 whole shares.
12 shares. My heart is actually beating fast. Why is this scary? This feels like gambling.
It feels like that the first time because you are putting money into something invisible. But you're not betting on a horse. You're betting that the biggest companies in the world will continue to sell products and people will continue to buy them for the next 20 years.
Okay, I think the world will still exist. I'm hitting review order. It says estimated cost $494.16. Commission free.
Looks good. Press the button.
Confirm order. It's loading. Order filled. I own it?
You own it. You are officially an investor.
Okay, I did it. Wait, it just went red. I lost 10 cents. I lost money.
Put the phone down. This is the most important lesson. The market moves up and down every second. If you watch it like a hawk, you will go crazy.
But when do I get rich?
That's the secret. Good investing is incredibly boring. It's like watching paint dry or grass grow. You don't check it every day.
So I just close the app?
Close the app. Go live your life. Set up an auto deposit for next month and forget about it. Your job isn't to be smart. Your job is to be consistent.
I can do boring. I'm actually going to go get a coffee.
Quick recap before she gets caffeine. Step 1. Choose the right container, usually a TFSA. Step 2. Open a self-directed account. Step 3. Buy the haystack with a global ETF. Step 4. Be boring and wait.
I feel so relieved. I finally started. But now that I'm looking at the App Store, I have another question.
Let me guess. You saw the other apps.
Yeah, everyone talks about Wealthsimple, but my uncle uses Questrade. And I saw an ad for Moo. Did I pick the wrong one? Do I need to switch?
That's the number one question we get. So, in the next video, we're doing a brutal, honest comparison between Wealthsimple and Questrade. We're going to break down the fees, the hidden costs, and how they actually work. But if you're watching this and thinking, wait, I don't have an emergency fund yet, stop. You need a safety net before you buy stocks.
Go watch this video right here to build your safety net first.
Thanks for watching.
Happy investing!